Activities with Mitsubishi Electric Energy Saving Support Application EcoAdviser. At Mitsubishi Electric Fukuyama Works, we have been working on the improvement of productivity of the assembly lines of circuit breakers, such as the improvement of short time stops of facilities with energy measuring products, or PLC, as well as the visualization of the bottleneck process by specific energy consumption with integrated monitoring systems. Also, we have been working on the energy saving of buildings by the visualization of energy consumption on each floor and each power supply system using demand monitoring control products. But with visualization in the past, we could only check the collected data on the display, and it was not easy to process the data in order for us to make decisions. In order to solve this problem, Fukuyama Works has started to use EcoAdviser. EcoAdviser has 3 features. The first one is the function to make the analysis of collected data easy. In the past, we used to capture the raw data into spreadsheets by CSV-type files. We then created graphs using that data for documents in meetings, so it took a significant amount of time and effort. EcoAdviser can create graphs depending on the user's needs, and it has functions to analyze and compare the data with various viewpoints as standard. The second feature is the function to check the analyzed data, which is in the shape of graphs with various viewpoints on site. Depending on the user's needs, you can create displays in the best way according to the information that you want to have. It has the dashboard function to achieve visualization with customizations. The dashboard can be displayed on monitors on site, so you can convey the information to the workers on site easily. The third feature is supporting edge cross. You can source the data from a PC that supports edge cross without any programming, so anyone can easily use this function. You can also source the data from the existing systems, so it can be introduced without large initial investments. With those functions, Fukuyama Works is trying to improve the productivity of assembly lines of circuit breakers and accelerate the activities for the energy saving of buildings. We are also trying to improve productivity of various kinds of work and to make meetings more efficient. Then we try to look for many changes on site so that we can make PDCA cycles work more quickly. That is also one of the activities which we are working on with eFactory.